Want richer colors and more editing flexibility from your Canon camera? Switching to Adobe RGB gives you a wider color range than the default RGB than the default sRGB. In this video, I'll show you how to change the color space setting on your Canon camera. Let's turn it on right now. First, turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the second camera icon tab. Here you can find the color space option. Click on it. Here you will get two options like sRGB and Adobe RGB. So, on your Canon camera, sRGB will be selected as the default. Now just select Adobe RGB. After selecting, press the set button to save it, and your Adobe RGB is enabled. Adobe RGB is better for professional photo editing and printing. And that's it. This is how you can enable Adobe RGB as a color on your Canon camera. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.